Alright, y'all, I'm gonna be straightforward with it. I've been having this same infamous yellow light, the lock key, the steering wheel lock mechanism light that immobilizes the whole car. The car don't want to start. I got it to work, the car didn't even want to cut off. I had to take the fuel pump fuse out to literally to get the car to shut off. But anyway, I plugged my battery back up because I had the battery unplugged. And I don't care what nobody say. They saying, oh, look up under your steering column and it's gonna be a mechanism that's supposed to be sitting right there. Like right here in this area. But this is actually the mechanism. And the screws, the breakaway screws are on the top of this mechanism that I can't get to. I will have to drop the whole steering column. But anyway, I connected my battery. I put it in the AC mode that everyone says put in the AC. Come to the front of the car. To the fuse box. You figure out how to get this, take off this panel, take all it off, and it'll be sitting right here to the side. And pull this fourth number 10 fuse. It's gonna be those 315, it's gonna be the fourth one. We're gonna do this while the AC light is on, right? Then after I did that, I got back in the car. I shut it all the way back off, just like this. I had the AC light on, pulled the fuse, came back, did this, shut it off. Once it started, no yellow light. Car starts. It worked, y'all. It worked. And I can cut it off. And cut it back on. It worked, y'all. Y'all do that. I hope this helps somebody because all the other videos won't help me. Good luck.